Hi, I would like to talk to you about something that's on my mind. Just thinking about subject of what causes autism. Um, there, there are people who are saying that vaccines that we administer to our children cause autism. I mean, and this was this was based on a study that was done in the 90s, and it, it I mean it was debunked. I mean it was I, I just want to share I just want to share with you something from I found from the CDC w- website about vaccine safety. Um, I'm going to go ahead and read something from the article, and it's like, vaccines do not cause autism. Some people have had concerns that ASD, or autism spectrum disorder, might be linked to the vaccines children receive, but studies have shown that there is no link between receiving the vaccines and developing ASD. The National Academy of Medicine, formerly known as the Institute of Medicine, reviewed the safety of 8 vaccines to children and adults. The review found that, found with rare exceptions, these vaccines are very safe. A CDC study published in 2013 added to the research showing that vaccines do not cause ASD. The study focused on the number of antigens given during the first 2 years of life. Antigens are substances in vaccines that cause the body's immune system to produce disease-fighting antibodies. The results showed that the total amount of antigen from vaccines received was the same between children with ASD and those that did not have ASD. And there's another another section in this article that says vaccine ingredients do not cause autism. One vaccine ingredient that's been studied specifically is thimer, therm, thim, thimer, thimerosal, which is a mercury-based preservative used to prevent germs like bacteria and fungi from contaminating multi-dose vials of vaccines. Research shows that this does not cause ASD. In fact, a 2004 scientific review by the IOM concluded that the evidence favors rejection of a causal relationship between thimerosal containing vaccines and autism. Since 2003, there have been 9 CDC-funded or conducted studies that have found no link between thimerosal uh, contained vaccines and ASD. These studies also found no link between measles, mumps, and rubella vaccine and ASD in children. Even before studies showed that thimerosal was not harmful, there was a national effort to reduce all types of mercury exposures in children. As a precaution, thimerosal was removed or reduced to trace amounts in all childhood vaccines between 1999 and 2001. Currently, the only type of vaccine that contains thimerosal are flu vaccines packaged in multi-dose vials. There are thimerosal-free alternatives available for a flu vaccine. And besides thimerosal, some people have had concerns about other vaccine ingredients in relation to ASD. However, no links have been found between any vaccine ingredients and ASD. So, in case you want to look at those studies yourselves, it, it's pretty safe to say that you don't have to worry about your child coming down with autism by getting a vaccine. I mean, however, that hasn't stopped falsehood from spreading throughout throughout parenting communities, and it's like I mean, because there are people who basically fear vaccines containing ingredients that ca- cause things to happen in children. It's uh, all I all I know is that I I I got my vaccines pretty much like after like 2 years old, far as I know. And it's like and no, I don't think I developed autism from that. I mean, this is I mean I mean my my autism came from being born. I mean it's it's a genetic thing. It's I mean you you just have I mean kids are just born with developmental disorders, and it's going to happen. What what are parents were whether parents were autistic or not. I mean, it's sort of like the or sort of like the X-Men of Marvel Comics. That it's like we're we're like mutants. There's this genetic mutation that happens to certain individuals, and in the womb is like they're like like we're getting this mutant ability to uh, this mutant ability to have sensory issues, and so social interaction problems, and and, and problems communicating. I mean, so that's why I'm a little worried about about me fathering a child, because as a because I basically fear that the child I'll have is going to have autism, and it's like I I worry about I worry about people who have, I mean, autistic people becoming parents, and just I mean, do want to pass on our genes to another generation of children who are going to have to deal deal with the problem of autism when they grow up. Of course, the advantage of growing up with autism now is that it's easy. I mean, easier to detect in children through like medical studies, and so uh, I don't know what else to say. This has been a fun episode. Anyway, I'm going to leave you at that, so have a good day, and may God bless you.